Welcome to Try Django 1.9, and this one we're going to be teaching you step by step on how to build a blog. Now, a blog, of course, is a central hub to write and share content, and also comment on content, and possibly even show some videos or some pictures. And that's really what we're going to be working towards, is building something that allows you to do all of those things. And we're going to do it using Django. Django is the popular web framework written in Python, so it follows the Python programming language. It's actually all Python when it comes to actually writing and building this web application. And you might be wondering what exactly a web application is. It's really just something that's a smarter way to build a website that relies on some sort of data and some sort of logic. And that's what we go through, is we go through the logic and how to store the data so you can really share it and interact with other people. Now, the goal here is to get you building something real. That's why we actually build a blog, and that's also why we go step by step, is so you can build something real and start solving problems outside of just building a blog. That's our whole goal at Coding for Entrepreneurs, is to build real projects so you can go out there and solve real problems through software, because software is very, very good at that. So if you want to know about more of our projects, definitely check out joincfe.com/projects. That's where all of our other projects live, where we go in more depth in building full-on projects, whether they're Django projects or mobile application projects. We do all sorts of things there. And if you have any questions, definitely ask them in the comments. It helps everybody. So if you ask a question that somebody else might not even think to ask, the comments oftentimes have those answers, or at least those questions where you can get feedback directly from us at Coding for Entrepreneurs, as well as the community at large that's watching this. So if you do see a comment that you know the answer to, definitely either comment and give the answer back, or at least upvote the right answer, so it really helps everybody else. And the other side of it is, if you're really getting stuck and you're not getting anywhere with the comments, definitely email us at hello@teamcfe.com. That's something where we will be able to answer emails as soon as we possibly can to get back to you guys on that. So in the next video, we're actually going to show you a walkthrough of what specifically you are going to be building. So if you want to just jump to that, go ahead and go for it and start getting right into the content and learning more about Django and Django version 1.9. Now, thanks so much for watching. We hope you subscribe, and we hope you check out the entire project. I know it seems like it might be a little bit long, but I really, really think that you can do it. And once you get going, you're really going to start to love Django. Thanks again, and we hope to see you out there. See you later.